Good day, everyone. It's me, Thor Reyes, and today I'm going to create a digital art called Echidna. Echidna is an endemic Australian animal, and hope you like it. Let's go. So now we're going to start with the rough sketch. So to build our foundation of drawing. Alright, and now we're done with the rough sketch. I think it's time to color now the art. Right, I'm done. Before I end, I would like to thank Midas Misjola, Carl Justin Torreda, Rosario, Jamaica Cruz, Alita Rodriguez Sarto, of course, Haris Reyes, Sebastian, Corazon Paras Arcilla, and Kimberlyn Acero Granzo. Thanks for liking. Then for our sharer, again, Carl Justin Torreda Rosario, thanks to you. John Paul, thanks to you. Thanks for sharing. Joshua Punong Bayan Lilang, thank you. And Kimberly Acero Grando, thanks. Okay, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you are watching it on YouTube. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace.